Dear students, now we are going to discuss regarding how bioassay experiment perform by using different experimental equipment in the pharmacology. Where before proceeding to the experimental equipment, we are going to see that what kind of different equipment we are going to use to perform the 3-point bioassay, 4-point bioassay, concentration responses curve, bracketing, matching, interpolation, all the graded type of bioassays where what kind of experimental equipments required to conduct the experimental part we are going to see in the first part. Then we are going to perform the 3-point or 4-point bioassay. So you can concentrate here. So we are going to see that what is exactly the name of this part which we are going to use to perform the graded type of bioassays. This is called it as a liver. There are 4 basic types of liver, but in our experimental part we are going to use the frontal writing liver, where we are going to, that liver is used to record the responses. It called it as a fulcrum, where we are going to connect our liver through the fulcrum to the tissue, and we are going to get the responses by using the fulcrum as well as frontal writing liver. It is the wax we require to balance our frontal writing liver when we are getting the responses from the tissue. It called it as a oxygen tube, or it called it as a delivery tube, where it is going to use to supply the consistent oxygen to the tissue throughout our experimental performance. It called it as a holder, which required to hold that delivery or oxygen tube for the experimental purpose. Now we required the suture as well as surgical needle we required, where by using that needle we can mount or tie the tissue to the particular, we can say that, experimental assembly. These are the forceps we required, these are the scissors as per our experimental requirement, and we required the syringe to give the accurate dosage, concentration to the tissue to get the responses from that particular living organism. This is called it as an aerator, which is used to supply the consistent oxygen air to the particular tissue when we are performing the experimental part. It called it as, we can say that, IV set to carry out the oxygen from the aerator to the tissue, which work for the, we can say that, maximum survival of our tissue. So dear students, we will move towards the next part of our experimental discussion regarding the student organ bath, where we are going to use the living tissue to get the responses with our test as well as standard substances, which is first invented by the Rudolf Magnus in the year of 1904. Now, which is a more updated version with the earlier invented, where we can see here what are the experimental equipments as we had discussed in our earlier session. We are going to apply those instruments with their fixed position, where you can see here like that we had used the frontal writing lever with the help of fulcrum. We had tied frontal writing lever to the student organ bath. You can see here the tissue holder which is located in the student organ bath, which is having a capacity of 10 to 50 ml. You can see here that tissue holder which is connected to the glass coil. Reason behind that, what are the PSS, physiological salt solution, which we are going to store in the student tissue holder, where it should be passed through the spiral glass coil to maintain the uniform temperature of the physiological salt solution, what we are going to use to maintain, to survive our tissue, what we are tied here. You can see here one more circulation motor it will be there, which is going to use to maintain the temperature of our outer jacket of the organ bath, which is filled with the water to maintain the temperature, as like we can say that body temperature throughout the organ bath, and that water is circulated to each and every corner of the organ bath by using that circulation pump. You can see here one more thermometer it will be there, still thermometer, which is going to use to control the temperature of organ bath assembly, where we need to maintain the temperature 32 plus minus 2 or 4 you can keep as per our requirement of the experimental protocol. You can see with the student organ bath we are having digital display where you can maintain the flow of our pump as well as we can maintain the temperature of the organ bath with the outer jacket. As this is the student organ bath having digital display to control the vacuum pump on and off as well as main switch. It will be there to on and off the whole assembly of organ bath. You can see here the maintained temperature, which is going to be explained or displayed here in the red indication. If temperature which is going to above the set limit, which is going to control and maintain the temperature throughout the organ bath in the outer jacket of the organ bath. Dear students, whenever we are taking the tissue, we need to take the tissue which is having length of 2 to 5 centimeter. In between that, you need to take the tissue. Before mounting the tissue, we need to remove the excess material which is connected with the tissue by using the sharp scissor. We need to remove the excess tissue to the particular outer part. So like that you need to remove all the excess fat or tissue surrounded with our, we can say that, part of the ileum. That ileum is obtained from the slaughterhouse where daily the people are, we can say that, throw waste. It is considered as a waste as per their, we can say that, requirement in the slaughterhouse market. But we are going to collect from the slaughterhouse and perform the experiment on the ileum, chicken ileum. After cleaning the tissue, how we are going to mount the tissue, I will show you here. Suppose this is the tissue which we had cut with the 2 to 5 centimeter range. Always you need to keep in mind, you need to tie the tissue in two opposite end of the particular, we can say that, tissue. First knot you are going to take here. Second knot you need to take in the opposite end of the tissue, where easily it is going to be, we can say that, circulated our physiological salt solution through the tissue holder, where one end we are going to mount with the oxygen delivery tube, one end we are going to mount with the frontal writing lever to record the responses. As like we need to tie the tissue. I will show you how we are going to tie the tissue with the help of thread. We need to tie the threadle with the help of thread. We need to tie the needle. After tie with the thread, we can start our, we can say that, mounting to the particular thread in two opposite end of the tissue. Like that we need to give the 2 knots on each side for the safer side. That's it. You can remove the excess thread with the help of scissor. This is the first end as we had tied with the help of thread. Now we are going to mount in opposite end of the tissue where we can easily mount with our oxygen delivery tube. We can remove the excess thread which is nowhere required throughout the study. That's it. Now we can hold tissue with the other end as we had mentioned here. Now we are going to keep the oxygen tube into the student tissue holder, into the student organ path. Transparent.